puppy. Hold on to Mama.
Oh, she could take those off.
Hold on to Mama. I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Like the dark?
Yeah, the dark. Thanks.
Okay, baby, come here. You have to stand right here. Emily. She can take a picture of you.
Yeah. See, let's see how tall Emily is.
There you go.
How tall is Emily? Her head's kind of tilted.
Yeah, step back. Step back.
Then look straight ahead. There you go.
34 and a half.
Ooh, she's getting big. Got it.
Okay. Yes, let's go. Come on, baby doll.
What's her shoes?
They're in my bag.
Oh, okay.
Come here, honey. Let me put you up here.
I'm visiting, so I get to see my niece. So everything's fun for me. Sacramento.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Another bracelet. Those look good. Oh, it's for the patient. Oh, you're cold? You want me to wrap your blinks?
Yeah, where's her blinks?
You want me to wrap your blinks?
She's There you go.
Sadie.